this ain't for State Farm. It is for my insurance. State Farm.
Me, but I might rob you. So when you see me, you gon' see my goon. I'm the fucking man. Y'all don't get it, do ya? Type of money, everybody acting like they know ya. No uptown, New York City, bitch. Some Spanish girls love me like I'm out with Buddha. Tell Uncle Luke I'm out in Miami too. Clubbing hard, fucking women, they ain't much to do. Wrist playing, got a condo up on Biscayne. Still getting brain from a thing, ain't shit changed. How you feel? How you feel? How you feel? 25 sitting on 25 mil. I'm in the building and I'm feeling myself.
Do you know how to stand on the line?
To make you smiling, just to make your day.
You don't know how to drive.
I know how to do whatever it takes.
Hey y'all, so we finally made it to the room, so Orlando. So I'm gonna give you a quick little room tour. So here we go. So this is the door when you walk in. Got TV outside, my boyfriend. You got the closet, and then we got the bathroom, which is so nice. So nice. Damn. Like, look at the shower. Focus. Focus. Super duper nice. I can show y'all the kitchen area. This the living room. And then that's the kitchen. So I'm blushing. So next we about to go to a skate room and gotta change clothes and go get something to eat. Oh, I didn't show you my hair. It's giving. She gave on this. It's giving. All right, I'll see y'all later. Good morning, y'all. I used to y'all since yesterday. So what we did yesterday, little recap, was we came to the room, went to Walmart, which was packed. I don't know why it was so packed, and went to the skate room, and that's when we got burgers. So today's agenda is going to be going to the theme park. So I just had a shower and everything. Got dressed. I should have the other day in a second. Now I'm about to do my hair, which really could stay in these twists, so I don't have to deal with it. Honestly, cause you know I'm cute. Whatever. Let me see. Alright, I'm fine. Should I leave my hair like this, babe? You don't care? Or take it up? It look like this? Oh, okay. Stand like this. So what I'm gonna put on is my black rose sunscreen. Hold on, focus on me. Because we going to the park and don't want to get no tan. And tonight we're going to Halloween one night, and I'm vlogging the whole day, so you're not gonna be right there with me the whole day. No. You was missing my baby, so you had to break something right now. That's a kid's one. That feels so good. That texture and everything.
Yeah, my mom so damn much.
Let's show you outfit today, babe. Come on. Okay, so you got on no shoes. You wear your Crocs? You wear your Crocs?
I don't know.
Okay, we got his black Nike shorts and his Halloween shirt. I got on my Halloween shirt, my red biker shorts, and my red Crocs.
No, no, wait. I just like how you Crocs here.
With
Like you think you put your Crocs right? Like you got a Crocs that put your foot right?
my Halloween village.
I don't like it. Why you put it in there?
What?
How can you put it in there? They still too.
The glue, I can't get the glue to open.
Why you tell it like you?
Cause you was playing the game.
So I can tell you got a mother like you.
Okay, well, we can open it when you get back.
Okay, one is like this. I look. I go. I don't know like this.
We too ready to go. My matching shirts.
What you like this?
No, you can. Put my glasses on.
What is it?
Put my glasses on. Put my glasses on.
Oh, what's that?
My glasses dirty. I need to clean my glasses.
What other that shit on? I wear both.
So y'all, what y'all been up to? What, huh?
I should wear this hat with it.
Well, put the hat on all the way if you gonna wear it. If you gonna wear the hat and that, tuck the do-rag.
What?
If you gonna wear the hat and the do-rag, tuck the do-rag. Gotta clean my glasses. Gotta clean my glasses.
What's that recording for?
What'd you say? Can I have for what? So what? I don't know. So y'all, it's the next day, and before I close out this Universal video, you gotta do another outfit of the day for this next day. Ain't that right, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. He got on his BKYS shirt, courtesy to me, some black jeans, and a retro 9s, and that socks hat. Okay, get out my bed. I got on my Simpson shirt, and I don't know who this is. My Nike Pro leggy, and my little slipper slides. So yeah, that's it. Vacation's over. It's time to go home. I think we're gonna do a little bit more stuff today. So I might vlog a little, depending on what we're doing. I might vlog a little, depending on what we're doing. But other than that, we didn't do much. And my hair, yeah, I had to fix my hair because I was sweating last night. And the lace was trying to happen. So I had to fix it. But we back to, you know, slanging. So yeah, everything's empty. Towels on the floor. Shower's empty. All that good stuff. But I'll catch y'all later. Peace.
If I shoot my shot, and if I get it live, on the back
Not this one. Alright. For people like you.
That's why I told him